Hi, friends! Today we're gonna make an experiment together. It's the rainbow milk experiment. Are you guys ready? Let's start! You will need milk, dishwashing soap, cotton swab, and food coloring of your choice. First, pour the milk into the plate, and then you're gonna add a few drops of the food coloring in the middle of the plate. Then you will take your cotton swab, dab it into the dishwashing soap, and then touch the surface of the milk gently. And watch these wonderful colors! You're probably wondering what's happening and what's making this. A simple answer would be that milk has fat and soap is very good at cleaning fat. That's why we use it to clean our dishes. So, in this experiment, the soap is being attached to the fat molecules in the milk.